Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Azizi, with name 2024-32082. I'm a student of Information System major from Institute Teknologi PLN. In this video, I will explain DHCP, DNS, and HTTP. The network is designed using a topology where all devices are centrally connected to a switch. The network consists of 4 PC and 1 server, all connected to the switch using copper straight-through cables through faster Ethernet ports. The switch functions as the central device to control and forward data traffic between all devices. This means that any communication between PC or between PC and the server must pass through the switch. The centralized structure represents the main characteristic of a star topology and provide advantage in terms of easier network management and maintenance because a failure in one cable or device does not affect the other device in the network. The server is configured with a static IP address to ensure a stable and consistent network identity. The IP address assigned to the server is written as 192.168.82.1 with a subnet mask written as 255.255.255.0. The default gateway and DNS field are set to 0.0.0.0 because the server operates as a local service provider and doesn't require external network access at this page. Using a static IP address is important to ensure that network service such as DHCP, DNS, HTTP can be accessed continuously without interruption. The dynamic host configuration protocol service is configured on the server to automatically assign IP address to client device. The DHCP service is enabled on the Fast Ethernet 0 interface, and IP address pool name server pool is created. In this configuration, the default gateway and DNS server are set to 192.168.82.1, while the IP address allocation starts from 192.168.82.2 with a subnet mask written as 255.255.255.0. With this configuration, the server is able to distribute IP address and network parameters automatically to all PC in the network. The domain name system service is then configured to support domain names solution. The DNS service is activated and a record is added to the map. The domain name jarcomc32.com to the server IP address, written as 192.168.82.1. This configuration allows client device to access the web server using domain name instead of IP address, making access easier and more user-friendly. The hypertext transfer protocol service on the server is configured by editing the index.html file. This file contains a simple HTML page that displays student identity information such as name, student identification number, class, and address. After the file itself, the server can deliver the web page to the client device when accessed through a web browser using either the server's IP address or the registered domain name. Each PC in the network is configured to use DHCP so that the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and then a server are obtained automatically from the server. This approach simplifies network configuration, reduces manual errors, and prevents IP address conflict. The successful display of the web page on one of the client PC confirmed that the network connectivity and configure service are functioning properly, and that the local web server can be accessed successfully with the network.